everybody. We're going to do a little class for you, less than 10 minutes for beginner yoga. So we're going to take it very slow. David's kind of a beginner still. I'm not judging him. I'm just saying it's been a while. All right, so let's just step the feet a little bit wider than the hips and bring the hands to the hips. And then we're just going to circle them around in one direction. He's really got his moves on today. And then we're going to circle the opposite way. So your knees can have a little bend in them if you'd like, or not. You decide what feels good for you. And then we're going to hold it still. We're going to take the arms out to the sides, up towards the sky. Bring the palms together in prayer and lower down in front of your heart. Very good, David. Lower down again. I'm going to go right in front of you like this. Up, palms together, and then down in front of the heart. Good. One more time. Out, inhale, up. Exhale, lower in prayer in front of your heart. Step your feet so that they're hip width. Good. Drop your head forward and down. Just take a moment to feel the back of the neck. Take a deep breath in. We're going to interlace the fingers while the head is down. And you're going to slip your knuckles right underneath your chin, under your jaw. You're going to open out your elbows here to the sides. And then we're going to bring the elbows back together. Use your knuckles, push your chin up, and tilt your head back. So inhale when you're back here with your head. Exhale, chin forward, elbows out. Inhale, tilt your head back, elbows in. Exhale, chin forward, elbows out. How's David doing? Good. Inhale one more time, head back, elbows in. And exhale, head forward, chin down, elbows out. Now keep your head down. Release your hands, lift them up towards the sky, interlace your fingers, and bring them behind your head. Elbows gently towards each other, not a lot of weight on the head at all. I'm just guiding my head, and I'm going to sweep my nose from side to side. Just the nose, not the body, just the nose. Like you have a long broom attached to your nose, and you're sweeping the floor. Does that help you, David?
Perfect. I was just wondering what to do.
That analogy. Hold it still. Feel the back of the neck. Get a little stretch here. Breathing. Take your hands, release them, and bring your fingertips to your forehead. I saw he didn't listen there, but I'm not watching. And we're going to push the head up with the fingertips. So I don't want to use my neck muscles at all. Just want to use my hands to push the head. Lower the hands alongside the body. And just shake out the shoulders. Good. Now take your left arm, reach it up towards the sky. Breathe deeply in. He's doing his right arm. Oh, I am too. I told him to do that and he listened. That's so smart. You're really learning. Drape your left arm over your head and bring your head over to the left. So notice what this right side feels like. Right arm is just dangling alongside the body to add to the stretch. And we're going to breathe in and out. Again, not forcing the head, just guiding it. Deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. Just let everything go. Let it all go. Bring your left hand under your head and push the head up to center. Take that left arm straight up again. Not again, just this is the first time we're bringing it up. Bring your right hand to your hip. Inhale, get taller, crown of head trying to touch the ceiling, and you're just going to push with the right hand, push the hips a little to the left. The body hinges naturally to the right. It's nice because it tells you how far to go, right? If you just work on the hips pushing, with your right hand, give them a little push to the left. Your body hinges, and that's your body telling you, this is my limit. So we're going to inhale into that left side body. Feel it? Do you feel it?
I do.
Oh, he answered me.
Yeah.
Now bring your hips to center and lower your left hand to your hip. Good. Reach your right arm over your head and gently guide your head to the right. Left arm dangles alongside the body, and we're going to allow this whole left side of the neck to relax, the shoulder to relax. Just let everything go here. Take a deep breath in. Make sure your feet are pressing evenly into the floor. You're not too much on the outside of the feet or the inside. You're evenly pressing. We're breathing. Letting go of everything else. Right hand under the head. Give it a little push up so the neck doesn't have to do anything. Bring that right arm up towards the sky. Bring your left hand to your hip. Push your hips to the right. Squeeze your bottom and let the body hinge naturally to your left. Deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. Just let it go. Does this side feel different than the other one?
Yeah, tighter.
He's tighter. Bring your hips back to center and lower that right hand down to the hip. Good. Lower the arms alongside and just shake out the wrists. Shake out your legs. Shake out your arms. Shake out your shoulders. Get some lymphatic stimulation. And then pull your shoulders up and back. Good. Pull your shoulders again forward now, up and back. So now we're going to make some nice circles with the shoulders. Forward, up, back, down. Forward, up, back, down. Keep going. Lubricate your shoulder joints. David, have you ever done this before?
No.
Is this your first time ever doing this?
Probably.
Do you know what the name of it is?
Rolling shoulders?
Rolling the shoulders. Very good.
No, rolling shoulders.
Oh, okay, good.
Even better.
That's good too. So now you're going to roll opposite direction. So down, back, up, forward. Down, back, up, and forward. Down, back, up, and forward. Rolly shoulders. Very three-year-old of you. I'm doing the rolly shoulders pose, Mommy. Good. Now take your shoulders up and back. Take a deep breath in. Step your feet a little bit wider. And I don't want to hurt David. We're going to just do one more thing here. So I'm going to walk forward. You're going to walk back on your mat so we don't hurt each other. And you're just going to swing the arms around you like this. So see how you could slap into each other's hands by accident and hurt each other? We don't want that to happen. So the opposite heel is lifting as you twist in the opposite direction. So as I twist to my right, my left heel lifts. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now for this little twist, you can go a little faster. David's doing this in sync with me, so I'm very impressed right now. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Let the twist try to be your exhale. Good. And then slow it down a little bit. So we want to get that lymphatic system to wake up a little bit, drain. We want to pump that sucker, and then step the feet in. The best way to do your lymphatic system is to bounce. So lift your heels up and let your body bounce up and down. This is going to be our last little thing that we show you for beginner yoga. Keep breathing. Ooh. Good. And then bring the heels down and the hands in prayer. So that's a wrap for today, and we hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you have any questions. Welcome to yoga if you are a true beginner. Namaste. Be truly you. Thank you.
Thank you.